your self introduction and about the topic.
Good evening, friends. My name is Nisu Yadav. I am from Alwar district, Rajasthan. My qualification is I completed my intermediate from Career Vision Senior Secondary School, Alwar, and now I am pursuing my graduation from RR Autonomous College. There are five members in my family. Apart of my parents, I have one younger brother. My father is a farmer, and my mother is a homemaker. My hobbies are playing cricket and do yoga practice. And now that's all about me. And now I'm going to the our today's GD topic, that is yoga is compulsory in school and college. We all know that the yoga is I think in my opinion, like it should be compulsory in school and colleges, because we all know that in student life we are like when we are in student life, then if we are doing the yoga practice daily, then our mental and physically health will good always. So it means that your mind is always increased when you are doing the physically, like you are doing the yoga practice daily routine. And always you think that many diseases will also decreases by the yoga, because you are doing the yoga practice, then after you will feel better every day. Like and other way we can say that if in school time, if you are implementing the yoga classes in school time, then it can be beneficial for the student, because we all know that that time our mind is like a pressure in all day, because we are reading the all chapters. So if you are doing yoga practice, then your mind will also leave calm in your class also. Thank you, sir.
देखिए, मेरे पास थोड़ा सा एक कॉल आ रहा है, वो कॉल मैं पिकअप करता हूँ। उतनी देर तक आप लोग वन बाय वन करके अपना सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन एंड अबाउट द टॉपिक कंटिन्यू रखिए। ओके, एक एक करके आप अपना सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन एंड अबाउट द टॉपिक देंगे।
ओके भाई, मैं बोलता हूँ भाई, ठीक है।
हाँ, स्टार्ट कीजिए।
जय हिंद ऑल ऑफ यू। माय नेम इज कृष्ण गोपाल. I belong to Mathura from Uttar Pradesh. If I talk about my educational qualification, I have passed 12th class from BSBP School Bharatpur, and now I am pursuing education via final year from Muralidhar Mahavidyalaya. If I mention my family, my father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. I have no particular hobby, but in spare time I like to play video games. And my aim to become airman in the Indian Air Force, because career in the defense is the most reputed and it is a respectable job. That's why I want to join Indian Air Force. After referring the paragraph, friends, as we know that yoga is a very important in our life. By the yoga we can live long, and it is very necessary for our country, because it is a beneficial for our health. And uh, yoga help to increase our mentally strong. And as we know that yoga reduce many diseases. So in my opinion, yoga is a compulsory school and colleges. Thank you.
Jain sir,
My
and my dear friends, my name is Sagar Kumar. I am from Samli, Uttar Pradesh. I passed class 12th from UP board. There are 5 members in my family. My father is a farmer. My mother is a homemaker. My hobby is playing cricket. My strong point is that I am hardworking. I want to join Gurud Commando through Indian Air Force because it is one of the best special force in India. Today, our topic yoga. Yoga yoga benefit the mind, body, and spirit. Uh, Yoga will help to fit your body, and meditation is part of yoga. Yoga, uh, yoga can you can do yoga anywhere, because uh, you can do easily yoga at home and small place. You you everyone practice yoga, because no matter your age and your health, you can practice. Yoga is control your blood pressure and improve your immunity system. जय हिंद जय भारत.
अभी मैं बोलता हूँ. Hello everyone, my name is Nirva Pratap Singh. I belong to Fatehpur, Uttar Pradesh. I had completed my intermediate in 2022. Now I am pursuing my bachelor degree from Kanpur University. I have 4 members in my family: me, my father, brother, and my mother. Uh, it's all about me. Let's come to the topic, which is yoga. Yoga originating from ancient India. Uh, it encompasses physical, mental, and spiritual practices aimed at achieving holistic well-being. Yoga offers a rich tapestry of techniques for cultivating health and vitality. Beyond the physical, yoga is a gateway to emotional and mental balance. It's a powerful tool for managing stress and enhancing focus and fostering resilience in the face of life's challenges. In my opinion, yoga should compulsory in all school and colleges because in our modern society where the pace of life seems to accelerate with each passing day, yoga offers a sanctuary of stillness and presence. It's a reminder to slow down, breathe, and honor the wisdom of our bodies and spirits. Thank you.
Jai Hind, sir, and my dear friends. I am Subham Kumar. I am from Ara, Bhojpur, Bihar. Ara is known as Earth of Abir Kumar Singh. I have passed class 12th with 86% marks from BSCB. Now I am pursuing BSc Physics and Maths from Bir Kumar University, Ara. In my family, apart from my parents, I have two elder sisters. My father is farmer and my mother is homemaker. I like playing volleyball and football. I am punctual and disciplined in my work. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives me adventurous and disciplined career. That's all about me, and we are here to discuss about the topic yoga and increasing popularity of yoga and should be compulsory in of yoga in our schools. We know that yoga is playing a very big role in our life. If we do yoga, then we should feel calm and mentally strong and feeling physically strong also. And yoga is we can yoga in your house and you cannot go out for the physical exercise in running and go out to the gym. Therefore, it is a very beneficial for our health. And we also know that 80% of the health issues has been solved due to the can do yoga. And 21st June is celebrated as Yoga Day. And India is a leader to promote yoga. If we know about the yoga, then we should also know about the Baba Ramdev, because we know that Baba Ramdev is playing a very big role to increasing the popularity of yoga in our country as well as the whole world. Today, not only Indians but also the whole world like to do yoga. It has become a profession and it is providing also employment. It has helped the people in recovering from many diseases. It gives flexibility to our body, and uh, it also enhances our mentally strength and focuses. Thank you.
Very warm.
Next, Yadav.
Jai Hind everyone. Himanshu Pal. Jai Hind everyone. Jai Hind everyone. My name is Himanshu Pal. I am from Etawah. I have completed my 10 plus 2 in 2022. Now I am pursuing BSc from Kanpur University. There are 4 members in my family, including me. My hobby is playing kabaddi and doing some workout exercise. I want to join Air Force because I want to become a part of MOD. That's all about me. So today's our GD topic is yoga. So friends, as we all know that yoga is very important to live long life and depressed free life. So if in student level, student always in this if in a time, student face many problem related to mental disability because he continue reading as well as he continue watching phone to their studies. So if a student can do yoga in a morning, so his power of thinking and mental related issue can also increase. So that's why our government take initiative like organize many program related to yoga and also aware the students about the yoga. Thank you.
Next candidate,
Okay,
Vijaypal
thanks
Yadav.
everyone.
Good evening, my friends. I feel honored to introduce myself in front of you. I am Ajay Pal Yadav. I belong to district Alwar, Rajasthan. I have completed my intermediate since 2021, and right now I am pursuing graduation from RR Autonomous College, Alwar. My hobbies is playing cricket, reading newspaper, and do gardening. I want to join Indian Air Force because it's dream of me from childhood to serve for motherland, and also Indian Air Force is a too much advanceful life which give me passionate to join it. Today our topic for group discussion is yoga is compulsory in school or not. I think yoga should be a compulsory in our school because if we go in ancient time in Gurukul time, there was also a yoga mainly prevalent which we see. from Maheshri Patanjali to the Baba Ramdev, all are in our country receive some trying to spreading yoga awareness, because yoga is very beneficial for not only for the youth and the old person but also for children also, because it give a physical strength and also mental interest, and it reduce the probability of the health issues. So yoga should be compulsory in school. Thank you.
Next, Thakur Khushi.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Khushi and I am from Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 12th class from UP board in 2022 with 80% and currently I am pursuing BSc from Chaudhary Charan Singh University, Meerut. There are 5 members in my family. My father name is Mr. Sanjay Singh. He is a farmer. My mother is a dedicated homemaker. And my hobbies are playing badminton, doing yoga. That's all about me. Now I come my topic. Dear all friends, we are here to discuss on the topic that is yoga and what is the importance of yoga in our life. Dear friends, we know very well yoga is the most important nowadays for everyone. Because of that, yoga is not only a good exercise for our muscles, but also it's a help to increase, it's help to increase keeping mind calm. Medical research has also shown that yoga helps to maintain good health and relieve stress and stress, depression, and increase better sleep, increase appetite system and digestion system. We know very well nowadays everybody busy in his life like professional life and personal life, then they feel more stress and depression. So yoga also help to decrease these problems. If we do yoga, then we feel fresh whole day and we do their work with more confidence. So yoga is more beneficial for us, does not depends on what's your age. Any age limit, people do yoga and feel very fresh whole day. That's all. Thank you.
Next candidate, Rohit Rathod. Next candidate, Nirbhay.
I have done, sir.
Next candidate, seat number 17.
Jai Hind, respected sir and my dear friends. I am Salini. I am from Mathura, UP, which is famous for the birth of Lord Krishna. I have completed my class 10th and class 12th from MBA Minto College, Nagoda, Mathura. At present, I pursuing BSc first year from Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar University. My hobbies are playing games and doing yoga. My life aim is I want to serve myself in Indian Air Force, because it is a great opportunity to serve for our motherland after completing from our class 12th. Thank you, sir. That's all about me. Now, friends, I coming to our GD topic. So today topic is yoga. Yoga is very beneficial to our health. It always creates a good health and always create the positive thinking in our mind. It makes our body flexible if we do yoga regularly. We can face any type of disease in life, so yoga has always been a backbone of India. 21st June of every year is celebrated Yoga Day. Now its popularity has reached in foreign country also. Therefore, this day is celebrated there also. It started on world level in 2015. Thank you.
Next candidate, Anubhav.
Jai Hind, respected sir and my dear friends. My name is Anubhav from Madai, Uttar Pradesh, which is famous for many historical buildings. I have passed my 12th examination from RKSB Inter College and currently pursuing Bachelor of Arts second year from HSD College. My hobbies are playing cricket, piano and volleyball. I wanted to join Indian Air Force as I have enthusiasm to do something for my country. That's all about me. Now coming on to our GD topic, which is yoga. So friends, nowadays we are seeing that not only the India but all over the world, people are facing many problems as like health issues. People nowadays facing many problems as like stress and many other problems. So by the yoga they can keep oneself fit and fine, as it is said that health is wealth. So we should try to aware more and more people so that they can use the yogas for their better health. I will continue my further discussion in my GD. Thank you.
Next, Nishu Yadav. नेक्स्ट यामिनी सिंह।
Hello, my dear friends. My name is Jami Singh. Basically, I hail from Unna, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 12th class from VP Board. Now I'm pursuing my graduation from CSM University, Kanpur. There are 4 members in my family. My father is a private teacher. My mother is a dedicated homemaker. In my free time, I like playing and dancing. I want to join Indian Air Force because I know I can adjust myself in any condition, and as well as golden opportunity to serve the nation. For today's group discussion, we'll be discovering the topic of yoga. Yoga is a practice that connects the body, breath, and mind. It uses physically postures, breathing exercise, and meditation to improve overall health. Yoga was developed as a spiritual practice thousands of years ago. Today, most Westerns what do yoga, do it exercise, or to reduce stress. Thank you.
नेक्स्ट आशुतोष सिंह।
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Ashutosh Singh. I am from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 12th PCM from UP board and now I am pursuing my graduation. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading books. And I want to join Indian Air Force because its duty and discipline are always next to me and I want to serve our nation. That's all about me. And now we are here to discuss on the topic. The topic is importance of yoga. Yoga is most important for everyone's life because yoga is, as we all know that yoga is a Sanskrit language which words mean union and discipline. And yoga helps your mind relax and improve your yoga improves your flexibility and yoga improves your breathing system and if we do daily yoga then our muscles are strength and our mind are relaxed and connected body with soul and yoga improves flexibility and if we do daily yoga then our respiratory system are so good so then if we do daily yoga then our cardio and muscles are strength. Thank you.
I totally agree with your point. As you see, in present time, we are living in age of science and technology.
Stop, Suresh. Okay. Now next candidate, अनुभव।
सर आई हैव मैं तो दे चुका हूँ अब इंट्रो।
जय श्री दादा कृष्ण।
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Sanu. My father's name Mr. Sachendra Kumar is a farmer. I am from Itawa, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed class 12th with PCM in State Board and I am pursuing graduation from Chhatrapati Sahibji Maharaj University in Kanpur. Dear friend, I have to discuss on the topic yoga. Yoga is a good for every person's India. Yoga is a good person for every person. Yoga is a good for every person. India leader to promote the whole world yoga and now times yoga is trending not only India but also whole world. Yoga is a help the breathing power and physically and mentally strong in yoga and yoga are the help for the every person's people's any age so give any age yoga try but sometimes but yoga is a good not require any equipment then the gym as like as it last I would like to, okay thank
जय श्री दादा कृष्ण। आपको थोड़ा सा इम्प्रूवमेंट करने की जरूरत है। ओके, थोड़ा सा ध्यान दीजिए अपने टॉपिक के ऊपर। ओके, नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट रहेंगे अनुराग शुक्ला।
And to all of you, my name is Anwar. I am from UP Territory. As far as my qualification is concerned, I have passed intermediate from UP 2020. These year are pursuing Allahabad University. There are 5 members in my family. My father is a farmer. My mother is a dedicated homemaker. My hobby is playing cricket and reading. My mission life to serve our nation, being a part of armed forces. Dear friends, we are here to discuss about the topic yoga. Yoga is a group of physical, mental, and spiritual practice or discipline that are organized in ancient India. Thank you.
अनुराग, आपको अपने सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन पे ध्यान देने की जरूरत है। इतना जो शॉर्ट सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन सॉरी अबाउट द टॉपिक है वो इतना नहीं होना चाहिए। अबाउट द टॉपिक पे थोड़ा सा ध्यान दीजिए। थोड़ा सा अबाउट द टॉपिक का जो टाइमिंग है वो इंक्रीज कीजिए। ओके, नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट रहेंगे साहिल।
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Sahil. I belong to Jajjar, Haryana. As far as my education qualifications are concerned, I have passed my 10th and 12th from CBSE. Currently, I am pursuing my BSc from IG University, Mirpur. If I talk about my family background, there are 3 members in my family. We are 2 siblings. My strength are dedication, determination, and punctual to my work. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is a respectful job in our society. So today's topic is yoga. As we know that yoga is essential in our daily life because it can affect our health and make our muscles strong. Yoga is essential. Yoga is a powerful tool that can benefit students in many ways, such as improving their physical health and flexibility, boost their self-confidence and their stamina, improve their overall well-being. Yoga can also help students develop in important life skills like discipline and self-control, self-awareness and self-expectance. Additionally, yoga can help students in many ways like burden from the exams, relief from the stress. But the yoga can be done anywhere and which can affect the youth and the children as well as the elder peoples. Thank you.
साहिल रनिंग कर रहे हो क्या आप?
हाँ सर.
Okay. Next candidate, Ajay Gill.
First of all, a very warm good evening to all. That my name is Ajay Gilla. I am from Didwana, Rajasthan, which is famous for Salt Lake. If I talk about my qualification, that I complete my intermediate exams in 2023 with 89%, and now I am pursuing BSc first year. If I talk about my hobbies, that I would like to play cricket and solve the mathematical puzzles. My short-term career goal is join Indian Air Force as an Agniveer, and long-term career goal is join Indian Air Force as an officer. So today we are going to discuss the topic about yoga. Yoga is a very necessary part for our life. That yoga is provide many benefits like the physical strength and mentally fit. Yoga is a very important for all our country, and it's started on the 2015th by our honorable Prime Minister. Thoughts that Fit India it's a really mean the developed India. Fit India in the yoga that a numerical benefit disadvantage like many sorry yoga is provide many benefits like the yogas the many diseases like doctor provide the yoga is very important for the patients that yoga is it's mentally fit and their health and their many diseases are be solved by the yoga. Yoga is the second medicine of the doctors and yoga is very important for all the old generation and the many other childrens, many other pregnant women also. That yoga is a stretching, it's a very useful for them and it's a fit their body and strength. Thank you.
Next is Mritu.
Jai Hind, respected sir and my dear friends. I am Smriti Ranjan Sahu from Odisha, Cuttack, which is famous for Baravati Stadium. I am completed my class 12 from Salapur Secondary School. I am currently pursuing graduation from Salapur Autonomous College. My hobbies are like playing cricket and reading newspaper in free time. I want to join Agniveer Vayu because it is a great opportunity to serve our motherland after completing our class 12. Thank you friends. This is all about to me. Now I am coming to our GT topic, which is assigned to us, that is yoga. And yoga is compulsory for every persons because due to not yoga the peoples are facing the problem like obesity, and yoga has a lot of benefits that will now be passed on to the school children for their own good, and it will also provide a much needed break from the for the mechanic lifestyle for the children. And we know that keeping our fit body, maintaining a schools in high required. So compulsory yoga in schools is the effective solution to this. We know that in our country 21 June every year the International Day of Yoga is celebrated in our country. We know that making yoga is compulsory in school to help the children to keep yoga in their daily routine and since their young ages, and this can turn a habit later on which can be helpful in them. And people nowadays are overburdened and have a lot of stress on their minds, so due to yoga they are cope up with a fast moving world. And yoga can be a stress buster and a relaxation method to every person. Thank you.
Okay, now next candidate, Prem Kuswa.
Jai Hind friends, I am gonna tell about myself. My name is Hemant Kumar. I am from Bhojpur Bihar, which is famous for Mahadevi Temple. I have passed my 12th in science stream and pursuing graduation from Veer Course University, Ara. There are 4 members in my family. My father is a businessman, my mother is a queen of the house, and we are 2 siblings. Let's talk my positive points. I can adjust myself in any condition. I am physically fit and mentally strong. My hobbies are playing cricket and appreciating music, and I want to an airman because this is the service of total devotion, dedication, sacrifice, honor, and discipline, and also a great opportunity to serve our country. That's all about me, and we here discuss on the topic yoga promoted at school and colleges. Yoga is good for our health because of yoga is a type of meditation, and yoga is celebrated on 21st of June as an international. Daily practice of yoga has created mentally relief, stress down, and the mind relief, and the focus on the every things. Everyone has a government of India has promoted yoga in school and colleges because of a student stress in a school and colleges is very high. So yoga is must for the students. Thank you.
मेरे अकॉर्डिंग अभी सभी कैंडिडेट का सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन एंड अबाउट द टॉपिक हो चुका है। क्या कोई कैंडिडेट ऐसा है जिसका सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन एंड अबाउट द टॉपिक नहीं हुआ है, सुरेश के अलावा? ओके, सुरेश स्टार्ट।
Jai Hind everyone. First of all, good afternoon, good evening all of you in present here. My name is Suresh Kumar. I come from Kuchaman city. I have completed 10 plus 2 in 2021. Currently, I am pursuing BSc second year. My father, Mr. Lalaram Kawat, is a builder, and my mother, Mrs. Puli Devi, is a good homemaker. I am optimist and quick learner. My hobby is playing outdoor games. I want to join Indian Air Force because my short-term goal is to join Agniveer Vayu, and my long-term goal is to get high-rank position in Indian Air Force. Thank you. I would like to summarize the today given topic, yoga. Yoga is a type of a physical and mental exercise, and as you see in present time beneficial for a student life because due to study workload many students not focus for their health. So it is a best step to reduce anxiety and stress. And as you seen present time many online platform like Astha channel by Baba Ramdev give many type of exercise. So it is the best step to now importance about the yoga. And there are 2 type of yoga: addition and meditation. Addition is a type of a physical exercise, and meditation is a type of a medical exercise. Thank you. Further I discuss it.
ओके सुरेश, मैं आपको एक बात बोलना चाहूंगा कि आप एक जल्दी बोलने के चक्कर में अपनी परफॉर्मेंस को खराब कर रहे हो, तो आराम से बोला करो। बिल्कुल भी जल्दी करने की जरूरत नहीं है। आप अगर नॉर्मली बोलते हो नेचुरली, तो आपके परफॉर्मेंस के अंदर सुधार आएगा। ओके, तो थोड़ा सा स्पीड आपकी ठीक है, लेकिन आप थोड़ा सा उसको जल्दी करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, तो उसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा ध्यान दो। ओके
सर।
ओके, तो देखिए, मैंने अभी जिन कैंडिडेट को इम्प्रूवमेंट करने के लिए बोला, उनको इम्प्रूवमेंट करने की जरूरत है, और बाकी के कैंडिडेट्स ने जो बोला उसके अकॉर्डिंग उन सभी का बहुत ही अच्छा था। वो अगर इस तरीके से क्लियर करते हैं तो उनके क्लियर होने के चांसेस 101% है। ओके, अभी हम अपना जो डिस्कशन पार्ट है उसको स्टार्ट करेंगे, और जो आज का अपना टॉपिक है योगा इज कंपल्सरी इन स्कूल एंड कॉलेजेस, इस टॉपिक को इनिशिएट करेंगे निर्भय। और देखिए, एक चीज और आपको बता देता हूं कि जब आप एक बार बोल लेते हैं, क्योंकि आज अपने पास 15 कैंडिडेट हैं, तो ये देख लीजिए कि एक बार मान लिया आपने पहले बोला, फिर आप 3 कैंडिडेट बोलने के बाद में फिर से बोलेंगे। बैक टू बैक 2 कैंडिडेट के बाद में कोई भी नहीं बोलेगा। कम से कम आप फिर से जब पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं तो आपके बीच में 3 कैंडिडेट का गैप होना जरूरी है। ओके निर्भय, आई एम ऑडिबल?
Yes, sir.
स्टार्ट नाउ।
In my opinion, yoga should compulsory in all school and colleges because yoga encompasses physical, mental, and spiritual practices. Yoga offers a rich tapestry. So government should start.
Dear friends, in my point of view, if you do daily yoga, then your mental and physical and blood relation are work properly. So yoga is very important, and yoga gives flexibility, and
as we talk
And
about the
yes,
European yoga, that
I
yoga
have
is
plenty
very
stress.
all over the country. That it's 5,000 years ago that our the in the Rigveda that the 5,000 years ago Rigveda say that yoga is a clean mission for the all over the country, and it's a very fit for the best fit of the mission in the all over the future. It's a very mentally fitting and is the physical fit.
Yes, my
Yes,
friend,
I
and I
agree. My
For some points, in my opinion,
The work of the
yoga
yoga
is better than
because
gym.
Isha is considered as the father of yoga from Mahasi Patanjali to the Kanad. All were promoted the yoga. That's why since 2015, 21 June in the first Yoga World Day was celebrated, and it shows that the yoga is a very important in our life, and also for school children it is so much important so that they can be consideration and focus on your study.
The
Yes,
practice
yes,
daily practice of yoga are harmful disease as far from us, just like we have told about the cancer and the harmful disease.
why the yoga why the yoga is
In this
long,
time,
and,
we all know
and
that
as
the
we know that
students, they are facing the
yoga is
more pressure of study. So if you want to reduce your pressure from the study, if you want to reduce the pressure, then you have to do yoga. Like it is not a big process. Every day you are doing the yoga for 30 minutes, then it is enough for your every day. And if you are doing everyday yoga, then it can reduce your pressure from your mind, and you are safe from many diseases also if you are doing the yoga every day.
I agree my former speaker. As you see, I agree my former speaker. Yoga is very important for our life because it is reduce anxiety and stress. And as you see in present time many person we are living age of science and technology, and many person do not focus their health because due to workload. But after then do yoga reduce anxiety and anxiety and depression. And there are many type of asan as like tadashan, padmashan, and many more. So in my point of view, after then start in school and colleges yoga. So student is very beneficial because it is increasing the thinking power of a student and focus on study, etc. As we talk
Yes,
about
my
the
dear
school
friends,
level,
I
then
agree
we
with
you
you.
can
keeping
see
in
that
fit body
the
and
many schools are
mentally
organized
health.
the first class of the yoga and morning and evening also. That is a very benefit for students, and the yoga is a very improve their mentally health and physical health always.
According
Yes,
to
my
me,
dear
I'm
friends, I
agree with
agree with
you.
your
yoga
point.
is
But
compulsory
in my
for
opinion,
in a school and college.
I'm sorry to
Yes,
interrupt you,
dear
my
I'm
friend,
ag-
I agree with your point. Keeping a fit body
For
and
some
mentally
points,
health is
yoga plays most important role. Does not matter what your age, because nowadays everybody is stress and anxiety. Yoga also help to reduce for these problems. Nowadays, everybody busy in his personal and professional life. So yoga help to reduce many problems like anxiety, depression, stress also. And nowadays, mainly students like stress, depression,
It's a
use
reminder
for this problem. For these problems nowadays,
Please maintain the conversation.
listen, gentlemen,
and
listen.
medical research also has shown that yoga help to maintain good health
Stop all candidates.
and
एक बार सभी कैंडिडेट रुक जाइए। जब मैंने आपको ये बोल दिया कि आप सभी को सफिशिएंट टाइम मिलेगा बोलने के लिए, और एक कैंडिडेट जब बोल रहा है तो सभी का माइक म्यूट होना चाहिए। आपको सफिशिएंट टाइम दिया जाएगा बोलने के लिए, बिल्कुल भी हरी मत करो। और एक बार बोलने के बाद 3 कैंडिडेट का वेट करो, फिर ही आपको बोलना है। डोंट क्रिएट फिश मार्केट, ओके?
Yes, my dear friends, I agree with your point. But in my opinion, your International Yoga Day in 21 Junes, and it is comes from Rig Veda. If yoga starts from school and colleges, then yoga improves his strength, balance, and flexibility. Slow movements and deep breathing increase blood flow, and warm up muscles while holding a pose can build. And some advantage of yoga, like yoga improves strength, balance, and flexibility. Yoga can mean more energy and brighter moods. And yoga helps you manage stress. And yoga helps with the back pain relief. Thank you.
I am agree with you. I want to add some point. In my opinion,
So
yoga is better
we are
than
giving
gym.
too much time.
gentlemen,
I am agree with you. I want to add some points. In my point, in my opinion, yoga is better than gym because yoga is doing everywhere, and there is no need of equipment, and because as well as if we can use if we can do use gym. If we can do use gym, therefore most of the spent money in the gym, and also we should also take more time on spent in the gym. Therefore, we should use yoga.
Yes,
Today
and
life,
to talk
life
about
is
that,
very
there are
busy.
some point you can say mostly people join.
Our
Yes,
mind
you are
also.
right. Nowadays, mostly youth also join the gym and make our muscles and body in going on gym. But yoga also more beneficial for us. If a person join gym, it's not bad. But if they do yoga, so it is more beneficial for us because it is not only a good exercise for muscles. It's also to help claiming our mind. And if we do yoga, then we feel whole day fresh and do their work with a more confidence, and it's also help to clearing your goals. According to
Dear
Maharishi
friends,
Patanjali, there are 8 types of yogas.
yes, dear friends, yoga is a
Yoga
Sanskrit
is
word
one
that
where
yoga
the
words
points like
two breeds parts
when we
like
talk about
union
the
and
sport.
discipline. So yoga, if you do
Cannot
daily yoga,
compare
then
yoga
your
with gym because
mental
gym can
stress are
strongly
reduced day
physically
by day.
stronger a person, but yoga can strong up student with their minds because a student did not need their physical efficient because a student want their mental stability and focus on their mind. So that's why and student can do yoga in a morning with the school prayer. Thanks.
Yes, dear friends, in Corona time, every persons are living home. Then on that time, yoga is a vital role, and because every persons are working yoga daily in morning time.
Yes, I agree with you because the yoga is a yoga is a part of mentally fit, physically fit, and all over the country that the yoga is starting date is the 21st June of 2015. It's started by the theme of the yoga is a very necessary in country that our prime minister thinking that yoga is play a very big role for all over the youth because youth is the future of our country, and youth play a very big role by the using yoga. Yoga is starting by the 5,000 years ago. It's a called in a it's a topic discussed in the Rigveda. It's a very crucial topic for all of the countries, and all of the old citizens are follow this in the morning and evening session.
Yoga
Yes, dear friend, I agree with
reminder
you.
in our
Keeping a fit
modern
body and
society slowly
maintaining a healthy space best.
our body
And as we know that
to
why the
start the
Swami
yoga in
Vivekananda
school and
yoga is
public
very
school.
important in our life. And as we know that yoga increase by the yoga we can increase our confidence level, and it increase it reduce our stress, and as we know that pollution is increasing day by day, so it reduce. Uh, so would you like to add some point, my friend?
I am agree with you. I want to add some points. In the busiest era, in the stress playing a very big role in our health issue because most of the health issue is increased due to the stress. Therefore, doctor also suggest that we can do yoga and meditations in the daily, and you can also doing yoga and everywhere because therefore not we cannot say that lots of time has been taken to do.
Are living in a modern
All know
area
that yoga
era
Beyond the
is a
physical,
where is
yoga
a,
is a gateway to
social
mental
media
growth
use
and
is too
physical
much,
balance.
which is
To
impacting on
start the
our
yoga in
eyesight
school and
also.
colleges,
and
And
government should
the
reach the
distraction
school and
forced time.
college and
So that's why a
should
student
start
can do a
campaign.
yoga in the morning up to if a student have cannot time like 1 hour to 2 hours. There is no need to do yoga in 1 hour to 2 hours. There is a need of if we a student can do yoga in 10 to 15 minutes, their mental and physically strength also increase. So that's why they cannot distract because in present time distraction can happen. That's why a student every time student can distract by their phone. So if a student can do yoga in morning, they cannot distract because yoga have a very okay.
As we talk about the school level yoga programs, that is when all the schools are organized the yoga function on the evening and morning session. The first class of the government school are celebrate the yoga class, and all the students are thinking it's a very prefer for them to do all the days, and it's a provide many benefits for their thinking ability and capacity of the thinking and the thought of their mind.
My
In
opinion,
my
as
opinion,
recently all know that what happened in this time,
for aware
you know.
people of villages as well as the student can do yoga.
Gentlemen, I add to
In
some
this
point.
time, we all
Yoga is
know
very
that we are
important
facing many problems
for our
in
life
to
because
take our
as
environmental
we all
because the
know that
pollution is very high.
Supreme Court
So for
also
that, our immunity
says
system
that
is going to
yoga is very
in worse
important and
condition. So
yoga
if we
provides
are
one
doing yoga,
great
that time
class
our immunity system is
compulsory.
also good. So we can face the many challenges like diseases are coming. So our body will if we are doing yoga, that time our not only the mentally fit also, but also we can physical fit also we can live in with the yoga. But if we are implementing yoga in school time, then it can be beneficial for the student because that time they are learning many things in the school in their study. So it can be beneficial for them. And if they are doing yoga in that time, so their like uh, we can say exam pressure will also decrease in the mind.
I am agree with
Agree
you. I
with
want
you.
to some point.
Yoga
Most of
is
the people
very
also say
beneficial
that
for school children because there is a too much social media time as giving by the right now even a children because they too much screen time they are giving. So it is impacting their eyesight as well. Their mind weaknesses are also increasing. To doing a yoga in school, it gives them a good relaxed full mind, which is considered calmful mind, and then after they can easily focus on their study also.
I am agree with you. I want to add some points. Most of the people also say that the yoga should be added compulsory subject in the schools. Therefore, it is a very hard for the children because we have also seen that the most of the burdens is available on the students. Therefore, it is also provide a better yoga teachers. Therefore, it is not provide. It is not good for the government. And we have seen that the government also provide a campaign yoga in a school. Therefore, it is beneficial for the health and also in the mental issue. But yoga should be not added in my opinion, in the should be compulsory in the subject.
Opinion, friends, yoga is must compulsory in school as well as college because we face many students face many problems related with mental health because they also increase their mental ability and but yoga can compulsory, so that's why increases positive power thinking and do can give their best on their exams as well as
Yes, my dear friends, I agree with your
Yes,
point.
yes.
Yoga is must compulsory for every students for school as colleges. But in my opinion, some disadvantage of yoga, like if we do not daily practice on the basis of yoga, so then yoga can cause blood pressure and yoga poses physical risk. Then hot yoga is not for everybody. Experience for lack of knowledge can be dangerous.
Other way we
We
can say
also
that
find
the
that during
importance
the
of
school
yoga
time, when we
and
go
there
for
are
the
many
prayer, some of
uh,
students get a headache and they got an stressful situation. Yoga is that which can be helpful for our to remove our anxiety, depression like situation, and also it is good for our digestion system, which it should be implemented in school compulsory because some of students get a headache problem in schools and they cannot be even stand up during the prayer time. So if we implemented yoga, then they can easily do in everything physical activities on school and which give a new energy to them for contributing in their study.
Yes,
Dear
dear
friends,
friends,
yoga
you are
yes,
aware
dear
that
friends,
and I
yoga
want to
gives
say that
flexibility. If we
meditation
do
is one
daily
of
yoga,
the
then our
best
mind are relaxed,
practice in yoga.
feel very
And we
relaxed
all know
feel.
that if we are doing
So yoga is
meditation
very
every day,
important
then
and
it can increase our
yoga
stable
repairs our
mind.
muscular
Like
and our states NXT and if we our yoga reduce our states and our mental health.
yes, dear friends, in International Yoga Day, 21st of June, yoga is a very performer in Baba Ramdev. So it's very good performance in yoga. Yoga is very important in our life. Yoga are yoga are very useful many diseases like anxiety, depression. It is very useful for body performance in our best immunity health in our health is very important in yoga.
Okay, dear friend, I want to add here are some point. You know very well we are celebrate the
actually we
International
all know
Yoga
that
Day on 21 June, and we can say here according to Maharishi Patanjali, there are 8 types of yoga which are called Ashtang. The 8 yogas of Ashtang yoga are Yama, Niyama, Ashan, Pranayam, Pratyahar, Ashan, and Samadhi also. So yoga does not in a modern era. It's a very innocent for us, and also India is a more famous for yogas. Not only India but also the many foreign countries follow this traditional or the yoga because yoga is more beneficial for us.
Yes, dear friends, yoga is very beneficial. If you do daily yoga, then our weight are more maximum, then we can reduce our weight by doing yoga.
From a past time in our Gurukul system, the yoga was mainly prevalent in our countries, and also due to the modern era coming which is given by the Britishers, they totally devastated the yoga system. But right now we are getting information about the yoga, and also the researchers say that yoga is beneficial for not only youth and old person but also the children as well.
As we know, all the countries are followed. India started mission, the yoga mission. It's a very grateful mission for all of the country that in the Western cities that they follow India's traditional of the yoga. That on the 21st June, many people are always together and they play yoga in the evening and morning session always together. It's the very largest people that come and on the ground and on a garden. It's a very great opportunity for all the old persons for their health improvement and they are the mentally and physically fit by the yoga.
Dear friends,
We can say here yoga also outdoor exercise, and we can say yoga also indoor exercise because does not matter we are anywhere do yoga, and does not matter what is the time of yoga. If you have some time for doing yoga, so it is more beneficial for us. Does not matter does not matter you are in the home and you are in the garden. If you have some time, so do yoga, and it does not matter also you are what's your age. If you are a child, so you can do yoga, and if you are a youth, old people also do yoga because it is more beneficial for us. After do yoga, we feel very fresh and we feel a unique experience, and we do any work with the more confidence.
Actually, we all know that in this time yoga is very important.
I want to have some points.
So, in my point of view, you are not paying any rupee if you want to study about the yogas. There are many yogas, but like if you don't know that how can we do yoga, so you can go the social media. You can use the social media apps also on the YouTube. There are many channels. They are providing the how can you do yoga practice. So it is also beneficial for you. But after some time, when you are doing daily practice, then you will be learn many things from yoga practice.
So friends, as we know that yoga is very important part of our life. Yoga means also it shows unity and connectivity with other peoples, and if we do yoga, then we can also flexibility to depression and also easy to focus on our study. So friends, religious organization against the compulsory yoga in the school. So our government our government also present to petition to the it is not allowed to any school 1 to 8 class children will do yoga. So that is also good decision of the government, because at the time of students they have many more pressure on their study, so that is difficult for that because they don't have time to do yoga.
Yes, dear friend. I want to add here some point during the COVID-19 time. Many people do yoga because mostly work are closed and many people live in our home. So yoga also play vital role against the COVID-19 because of that our digestion system are low day by day. So yoga also help to us fighting against the COVID-19.
I agree with your point. We can say that it
in our
also
syllabus
I want to
also
add some
because
points in the
yoga
epidemic
is
of
that thing because
COVID-19. We have
it
seen that
also give a
you
creative
cannot
mindset on for our
for the
life.
physical fitness in the
Any
on the
student can
ground.
become
Therefore,
a creative
we are playing a vital role in our.
yoga
Friends,
implemented
in
that it
yoga you
also
cannot
give a
depend
creativeness
on
among
other
the
person.
student because when we do in morning itself that because morning is a very good time and very well for our life our body also when we do goa then yoga then it also helpful for us like we get a fresh mindset and we try to start a new journey which is lefting by our all the days tiredness.
I agree with my former
About the
speaker.
schools, but also we are talking about the school and colleges, but also we should do yoga practice at our homes daily because, like as we all know, what is the impact of yogas, and because by the yoga practice you are making your mind is stable, like you are creating the control on your mind, so you can do best in your life. There are many successful persons already explain about that. If your mind is stable, if your control on your mind is very best, so you can do anything in your life.
In my opinion, that yoga is a very important role and it's a necessary for all the persons there to use and enjoy yoga. It's very feel better and it's a mentally and physically fit always. Or the many benefits for the yoga. There's many students are in the present are we in the depression as we know that for the preparation of the competition exam and many school level exams. For that the yoga is a very better vaccine for all the person, all the students, and all the old citizens. In my opinion.
Should be implemented in school syllabus also so that student can take a benefit from it, they can get a knowledge about it, and as an individual our government should be try to implement it a teachers establish a teachers yoga teachers so that student get a knowledge about it, and as an individual we can also motivate the children at our home to do a yoga, and with the practice of yoga we can also be motivated at every time any circumstances we face easily because in yoga we get a confidence also.
Agree with my former speakers. So, friends, as we are not that yoga is very beneficial for the human beings because we are not that 21 June celebrated as a yoga day, and yoga is beneficial because it is gives a flexibility to achieving the goal in your life, and many of the yoga like kapal bhati, surya namaskar, it is also good for your health and help to cure the any disease like cancer and etc.
Yes, my dear friends, I agree with your point. In my
Yes, dear
opinion,
friends,
yoga
I
is
agree with
beneficial
you,
for
and I
the
want to add here are some points. Nowadays, we can see mostly people use social media, networking sites to feel more stressed and depression because of that many gadgets like a smartphone, laptop, computer also we can use every day with their personal or professional life, so we feel more so yoga also help to reduce this anxiety and depression because social media also create many distraction in our life. So if we do yoga, we know very well meditation also a part of yoga. If we do yoga, then we feel that we also decrease these types of problems. Meditation also a part of yoga. If we do meditation, then we feel keeping calm our mind. Because of that, nowadays we use social media every day, so we feel most type of anxiety, depression.
Friends,
Just
as
dear,
we know
just
that
dear
the main
friends, in my
cause of
point of view, just dear
so
friends, in my
friends, as
point
we
of
know
view,
that
many
the main
social
cause of
media are
mental
promoting
related
like
issue is
Astha
a negative
channel
power
are
thinking.
providing
So if a
yoga,
person can
and
do a
to
yoga, he
seeing
have
that
always
Astha channel
think in a
many
positive way. So
other
that's why
country are
he
doing
decrease
yoga,
her mental related issue and mental ability.
so our culture region are boost up if our government are providing and promoted yoga.
Yes, my dear friends, in my opinion, yoga declares you to help you sleep up better, and yoga can mean more energy and brighter moods. Yoga helps you manage stress, and you get to over a loneliness, depression, stress, and mental pain. I don't know if anyone is happy and content with the reality of real world. And Ayush Mantralaya, which is the biggest mantralaya for the yoga, the Ministry of Ayush has launched a scheme for volunteer certification of yoga professional.
Yes, girls, I agree with you that in the present, the many people are being in stress, and in the stable life that people are doing for the money and running for the money. That's yoga is a peaceful moment for them. It's a very resolving moment for all the patients by the doctors. The doctors provide the medicine like as a yoga. It's a very necessary and important role play in their the fast recovery.
Yes, dear friends, you are also agree with you. In my opinion, Indian culture is very useful for yoga every day. Yoga is a physical activity and is a maintaining for better lifestyle. Yoga reduce many like diseases, cancer diseases, healthcare system, and reduce anxiety, depression. Before, as we all know, yoga is very important in our life. For every people and every children and every men's and women's are very our daily life in use in yoga. Yoga is very important in our life is because every people are involving in yoga day life.
Yoga is beneficial for our life because it gives to fight bacteria and it etc. And yoga control our blood pressure and improve mind improve mental and physically strong. uh,
Yes, another point I want to explain that in this time we all know that sometime what happened like this generation is also getting the ego in sufficient time like on the silly matters they are getting the egos and we can say that it can also control your like ego and control your we can say that mind.
Yoga
Friends, I am
also
agree with you.
help us to make a good timetable, good time routine in our daily basis because when we do yoga in morning time, then it's create our discipline as well. And discipline is that thing that with the help of discipline, we can cover our all the work on the day, all day.
Okay, now candidates, Anjali Kuntal, conclude the topic. Anjali Kuntal, conclude the topic.
Yes, dear friends, I am gonna conclude the topic. So, yoga is very important in our life. Involve, every person should involve in yoga. This is a betterment of for a body and maintaining for lifestyle. Yoga is very beneficial for every people, and many people are involved in yoga. Like a many people are involved in yoga. This is a better way for our body. Yoga is very beneficial for anxiety, depressions like cancers and many diseases. Yoga International Day 21st of June. So this is a very better for maintaining and your mind fresh. Many people are invest in Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagrams. So this is a produce and increase their mind and social networking sites is a very busy in our youth. So yoga is very beneficial for every students.
Okay, now Ajay Gill, conclude the topic.
Yes, sir. I conclude the topic that the that the yoga is very necessary for all over the life. As we talk about the many athletics that they provide on the social media, the Fit India Mission hashtag is very trending at the present. They provide many other stretching field and many other the types of the yoga are be provided on social media that youth are follow them, and they increase their stretching level and their thinking capacity and their mind free environment created by the yoga.
Okay, now next, Nishu Yadav, conclude the topic.
Yes, sir. Uh, we all know that yoga, in this time yoga is very important for everyone, and you are not paying any money to yoga practice, and we all know that it protects us from the many diseases in this time. And if we are implementing yoga in school and colleges, then it can be helpful for the children. If because in the starting time when we are giving the good exercises for the children, then there are the many diseases which can stop, their height and all these things which can stop there. And other way, we can say that yoga practice are not only for your mind, not only for the physical fitness, but also for the mind fitness. Because we all know that in this time, many students they are taking the pressure, it is taking their study and all these things. So it can be reduce the pressure for the study and all these things. If man time what happened, if we got failure in the exam, that time how many students they decided for the suicide. So if your mind is stable, you are control, you have the most control on your mind, then you can easily face the many problems. Thank you.